What if you were dating a guy or you had a boyfriend and you found out that he subscribed to OnlyFans?
Subscribe while we're in a relationship or before?
Either, I guess.
Red flag?
It's a red flag? Why?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm there for that. I'm happy to make some videos with my partner if that's what he wants. Definitely wouldn't.
We'll put your Instagram down below.
In my experience, porn can give you unrealistic expectations of women. Not all of us can bend that way. Not all of us have perfect makeup, perfect boobs, perfect ass, perfect legs, and are going to give you whirlwind, mind-blowing 6-hour sex.
I think that a lot of guys rely too much on porn itself and the idea of porn, that you try and put that into your actual relationships, and in turn it accidentally ruins them. Because you have this specific idea of what a woman should be, what a man should be, how you should perform, how it should look, even how long a person should last, that I think is extremely misleading.
Lots of guys nowadays they're watching porn because they don't socialize with people and they live in their fantasy world. It's not healthy for you because you're not getting that emotional level with another person. You're releasing a stress over a porn instead of like facing your fears, facing your realities. It's easy to go and watch a porn, but it's hard to go and approach a person.
I was seeing this guy briefly, and it actually ended because of the porn, who was trying to get me to be a porn star, essentially, for him. He was trying to get me to do such and such because this one girl did this move and she was able to contort and lasted this long, and basically he was putting the pressure on me to become this fictional character. And I mean, that's like asking a girl to be a mermaid.
Because I have a different idea of woman. Like, woman should look like that, woman should be like that, and the reality is not like that. Porno, it's not how the reality works. Like, in the reality, the women don't dress like that or look like that or act like that. It's just also the woman who does this have their personality for that. It's not their self.
Right, it's all fake.
Yeah, and then guys want that all women are like that, what they see on the screen, and it's not like that.
Right, they think all women are sex objects, basically.
Yeah.
They objectify them.
And it's not like that. Like, women like sex, like men, but it's not like that they show us.
Instant gratification. You're destroying your dopamine and serotonin levels. It's the immediate buzz zone. You've trained your brain that they have to be instant. So if something doesn't happen the moment you want it to, you explode, because now you've conditionally trained yourself to love and only love immediate gratification. That is not how the real world works, and that's not how a relationship works, and that's what you're bringing into your relationship, and that's what you do with porn.